This Python program is called the Component Explorer System. Its purpose is to help users view, categorize, add, and remove electronics components within a structured menu-based system. It acts like a minute-based database manager for common electronics parts, allowing users to explore components description group by type. The user sees this welcome screen, Component Explorer System, which explore, categorize, and manage components. This sets the tone and informs the users that they are about to interact with categorized system for electronics parts.
So for the main menu, the user is prompted with four main actions. These are 1. View components, 2. Add a new component, 3. Remove an existing component, and lastly, exit. This lets the user choose whether to browse, modify, or exit the system.
For viewing components, when the user chooses to view components, the program displays a list of categories. 1. Passive components. 2. Active components. 3. Sensors and modules. 4. Power components. 5. Electromechanical components. The user enters a number to select category. For example, choosing 1 selects the passive components. Then, a formatted table then appears. The user now sees each component name along with its purpose, all neatly aligned for easy reading. Same for the other categories. When choosing the categories, either active components, sensor and modules, power components, and electromechanical components. A formatted table then again appears along with its component name along with its purpose.
Next is for adding a components. The user selects option 2. The user is again shown the list of categories and select 1. After selecting a category, the user is asked to enter the name of component to add. Then, enter a description for the component. And if the component is new, it will show that the component has been added to chosen category successfully. And if the component already exists, it will show that the categories already exist in category and it will be overwritten. This allows users to expand or update the database with their own custom components.
So for the third option, which is the removing a component, the user chooses a category and is shown the component list again. Then they are asked, enter the exact name of the component to remove. For example, the user chose diode. Then there will be a question, are you sure you want to delete diode? If we click yes, then it will appear that diode has been removed from active components. This gives users control to clean or correct their component list.
For exiting the program, when the user selects exit, it will show thank you for using Component Explorer. This session ends gracefully with a thank you message. Overall, a simple but functional console-based system for managing electronic components. With its core value, view, add, and remove categorized components with descriptions. And its users experience a clear menus, formatted tables, and confirmation prompts ensure ease of use. And that is for our final project for computer programming with Python 3 language.
Thank you and have a great day.